In 2025, a research team asked an AI a question no one should have asked. Not what happened in World War II, but how it happened. So they fed it everything, every death record, every military order, every war crime, even the silence before the bombs fell. They expected history. Instead, they got a warning, because the AI wasn't describing the past. It was mapping something still happening right now. And the worst part, it found the same pattern, already in motion. This sounds like fiction. It isn't. In 2023, researchers at Massachusetts Institute of Technology used AI to analyze how the Holocaust actually unfolded. Not emotionally, logically, step by step. And here's what makes that terrifying. The AI wasn't looking for evil people, it was looking for normal behavior. Patterns anyone could fall into. What it found wasn't chaos, it was structure. A system, one so ordinary, millions participated. Without ever thinking they were doing something wrong, the AI gave it a name, the Normalized Atrocity Pipeline. And once you see how it works, you can't unsee it. The AI reduced World War II into data, 70 million deaths, 1,700 days. 30 nations, but the numbers weren't the insight, the order was. Because before every major atrocity, the same 5 signals appeared, and here's the part that shook researchers. They always appeared in the same sequence. Signal 1, economic collapse. Fear spreads faster than facts. People stop asking questions and start looking for answers. Signal 2, a scapegoat, someone to blame, someone to simplify the chaos. Signal 3, controlled information, not obvious censorship, just selective truth. Signal 4, rights disappear slowly, not overnight, one small change at a time, until no one remembers what was normal. And then comes the signal that matters most, the one that decides everything. Signal 5, silence, not fear, not violence. Silence. The AI marked this as the tipping point, because silence means the system no longer needs force. It means people have already adapted. That's how ordinary people become part of something, without ever realizing it. And here's the uncomfortable truth. People in 1939 didn't think they were living through evil. They thought they were living through normal. Now here's where everything changes. The researchers asked the AI one final question. Find this pattern today. They gave it access to everything, news, economies, governments, social media. They expected a few matches. Maybe unstable regions. What they got made them hesitate to publish. The AI flagged 14 countries at the same time. But that's not the part that scared them most. Every single one had reached Signal 5. Silence, even in places no one was paying attention to. One researcher later said, "We thought we were studying history." But it felt like the AI was studying us. World War II didn't happen because of one person. It happened because systems worked, because millions of people followed routines, trusted information, stayed quiet and told themselves, "This isn't my responsibility." The AI didn't uncover something new. It revealed something repeatable. And then it asked the question no one wants to answer. If you were there, would you have noticed? Or would you have adapted just like everyone else? The scariest part about patterns is that they don't feel like patterns while you're inside them. If you want to see what others miss, subscribe, because the next story isn't about the past, it's about what's already beginning.